Hey guys, it's Saturday night and I have a 3-day AM reserve block starting tomorrow at 3 a.m. And I tried to self-assign and it did not work. People were fast, and the two trips, there was one Sacramento, Honolulu that I was hoping to get. Nope. And then by the time I tried that and didn't get it, I went back and there was a San Diego, Seattle that I was hoping for. Didn't get that one. So I don't know, nothing else in there looks very good to me. And so I think I'm just going to let the universe decide what I'm doing tomorrow. Kind of hate doing that because then I have to get that last minute phone call and blee, 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 you know what I mean? But anyway, so I'm just sitting around here, had some dinner, you can hear the laundry going in the back, and I am just trying to stay cool. It's warm. I think it's just more humid, like, because it's in the 70s, but I'm just sweaty. Yeah, so I just need to get my stuff together, and maybe another cool trip will pop in to open time, and I can grab that. I don't know. We'll see. I just kind of don't want to work A, and a lot of the trips that are in open time right now are A position, so, which is common. But we'll see. Anyway, so I'm just gonna chill out, probably shower, and have an early bedtime. Hey guys, good morning. I'm acting chipper. I don't feel chipper. For some reason, I'm just not in the mood to work today. So I've been trying to, like, positive affirmation myself all the way to the airport. I got a trip assigned, I don't know, sometime last night, and it's actually not a bad trip. The only thing is I didn't really want to work A. I don't know why, I just don't feel like it, but of course I am. Thankfully, it's only 2 legs today. 2 legs today. Sorry, I'm trying to watch for traffic. Don't not get killed. 2 legs today, 3 second day, and I believe 3 on the last day. And today's kind of a short duty day. The other 2 are longer, like 10-ish hours. But today I go to Denver and then Wichita. Is where we overnight, which I don't know if I've ever even been through Wichita that I can recall, and I know I haven't overnighted there. I don't see a lot of Wichita overnights where I am. Ooh, flashing. Anyway, alright, well, I'm gonna focus on walking now, and I'll check in later. Alright, good morning. I made it to the airport and got some coffee. How do y'all do it without creamer?
Attention in the
I try to
terminal,
do black
Southwest
coffee
flight number 2675 with services
no,
to San Francisco
it's not okay.
is now closed for any passengers checking in or boarding.
Thankfully I carry cream because I threw some in there. No black coffee for me. Have we done this before? What do you guys like in your coffee? The brown sugar creamer, oat creamer from Trader Joe's is bomb.com. That's really all I need. I do like a little added oat milk, but that's it. Hey guys, I'm in Wichita and I made it to my hotel. It's about 2:30 and we're about 30 minutes late, so not too bad. And it's hotter than something really, really hot out there. And I don't know if I'm going to go out right away, but I am going to go out because I'm going to show you what's right outside my window, and I can't resist because, you know, I've never been here before. So let's turn this camera around and look and see. Boom. It's the Arkansas River. What do you know? I don't know what that is. Convention Center. There's the city. Hello, my friends. I am in New Orleans. Just like that. So we left St. Louis did not leave St. Louis. We left Wichita very early this morning and worked 3 flights, and it was super smooth and easy, which means I had no time to video, which is a good thing, I guess, right? You know, we just like knocked it out. I mean, it was like no big deal. We had 2 flights, or 1 flight on a 700 and 2 flights on an 800. And the 700, the first one out of Wichita was empty, like half full. And then the second 2 were packed. 1 to St. Louis and 1 to here, New Orleans. And so now here I am. It's like 1:30. And I'm going to change my clothes and go walk around. For some reason, I got in my head that I needed to get oysters. And I saw this restaurant that had charbroiled oysters. So I think I'm on a mission to get oysters. And then probably walk around the French Quarter just smidge. Get some beignets. I did not do that last time. So must have. And yeah, I think that's it. So I will take you with me. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to tell you guys about what I did in Wichita. So it was really fun, actually. I mean, it wasn't like a long adventure or anything, but I worked out, and then I decided I was going to go walk around. I'm going to kick back for a minute here. I decided I was going to go walk around, and it was hot as Hades. And so I started walking out, and one of my crewmates was outside. So we walked down by the river, which apparently in Kansas is the Arkansas River. Everywhere else it's the Arkansas River. Fun fact. But so anyway, we started walking, and we saw this guy with a boat. And it said like river cruises $5. So we're like, what? So he pulled over, and we went back, and we're like, hey, like, are you doing river cruises? And he's like, yeah, let me set up my stuff. So we gave him $5 and headed out on the little river cruise. It was literally like a 15-minute little down and back, but very cute. No cocktails, just water. But so we did that and got a little Wichita history. I look forward actually to going back when it's not as hot to kind of walk around like the old town area and stuff. And yeah, then I went back to my room and I ate food out of my bag. Like a little pat on the back, please. Pat, pat. And then I went to bed. You guys, I was like, I'm going to go to bed early. Like, I'm going to be smart. So it was like lights out between 8 and 8:30 Central Time. 6:30 at my house. And I knocked out. And then I woke up and I was like, oh my gosh, it must be almost time to get up. It had been 2 hours. So it's like, oh, no. I guess I have a while to go. So I got on my phone for a while and I texted my husband and blah, blah, blah. So I did go back to sleep, but it kind of tossed and turned. But that first 2 hours was amazing. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling now and go change and go head out to the humidity and find my oysters. Bye. walking around New Orleans, and we are in the Pepper Palace. Guys, this is a whole huge store of hot sauce. Every flavor, kind, anything you can think of. Lord. I made it back. I'm so tired. I have to show you what I got though. I got 8,000 pounds of salsa. Why? Don't freaking ask me. The girl I was flying with wanted New Orleans. Oh, I fell over. New Orleans hot sauce. And so, I can't really show you because it's all wrapped up. I can show you this though. I got jalapeno salt. That sounds fun, right? Seasoning. Add it before cooking or grilling to give your food an incredible amount of flavor. You will truly enjoy. Also works great as a seasoning in soups and stews. Stews, I'm a stew. Okay, I have another one, hold on. Okay, I don't want to show you this one because I got it as a gift, and if that person watches this video, I don't want them to be spoiled on the gift. Oops, did you see it? It's for my sister. Okay, I decided to unwrap them because literally what else do I have to do? Except for take a shower. So I got Wingmaster Mango Habanero Buffalo Sauce. This is also a gift. Not gonna say who it's for, so it won't be spoiled. This one is for me. It's called Pepper Palace Tequila Seasoning. Sea salt, chili powder, sugar, agave tequila, rosemary, lime juice, citric acid, and spices. I don't know what I'm going to put it on, but it sounded really yummy, so I got it. Okay, this one is called La Diablesse. She looks scary. Hot sauce, it has ingredients are red wine vinegar, mustard seed, vinegar, water, sugar, red habanero peppers, onion, garlic, black peppers, turmeric, and xanthan gum. This is also a gift. Can't say who. Okay, this one's for me. It's called SM Sauce Makers Medium Hot Sauce. So very generic name, but this is delicious. We tasted a lot of hot sauces, and this one is for tacos. Ingredients: tomatoes, vinegar, onions, roasted garlic, salt, sugar, red serrano chilies, and spices. Yum yum. All right, one more gift. This one's a funsy one. It's called Peach Serrano Hot Sauce. I thought that sounded super fun, and I know somebody who likes to try weird things. So, serrano peppers, vinegar, salt, sugar, natural peach flavoring, and xanthan gum. It actually tastes pretty yummy. I tried it. So that's what I got, you guys. And they have so many hot sauces and seasonings and other fun salsas and stuff. So if you ever go to New Orleans, you should go to Pepper Palace. It's very fun. I have a question for anyone who knows a lot about New Orleans. What's the deal with all the daiquiri places? Like, why is that a thing? Is it because it's hot and easy and they allow you to carry alcohol everywhere? Just curious. There's so many on Bourbon Street. P.S. Bourbon Street, not my favorite. But I like the streets over a little bit. They're a little more kitschy and cute. So, what do you think? Have you been here? How do you feel about sunshade folded up now the air conditioning is is blowing on me. So I had, oh my gosh, y'all, I cannot wait until school starts. I am shuttling kids back and forth to grandmas, to moms, to dads. I'm like the babysitter in the sky. I had 3 UMs on one flight today. One of them had just turned 5, which is the youngest they can travel alone. And she was a bundle of energy, I tell you. I want to say that I had the most amazing passengers that just stepped up and entertained this little girl for hours. I couldn't do it. Like, I was working, I was busy, and they just did it. They gave her she didn't have anything with her except for a Barbie, and they gave her their phone. They played peekaboo with their scarves. Like, it was amazing. MVPs for sure. Anyway, and just a lot of wheelchairs, personal wheelchairs, and that just takes a little extra time, a little extra thought. Not that it's bad or makes me mad or anything, it's just a little more stressful. This is the A position, people. So anyway, I am released. I have 5 days off, and by the time you see this, they'll be long gone. But anyway, I just wanted to wrap things up. I had a good trip, met another really great new flight attendant. So I'm going to drive home now. It is 12:12, so I'll be home like a little after 1, which is just freaking magical. Debating on whether I should get food or not. Not really that hungry, but I will be when I get home, and I really don't think there's anything at home. So, what would you do? There's not that many places on the way. Well, I mean, yes there are, but that I can eat while I'm driving. Okay, I'm probably being really boring now. Alright, so thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you're doing great and that your summer is finishing off in a fabulous way. Only a few more weeks till my big vacation. I'm so excited. So, anyway, hey, see you on the next episode.